Alright folks, welcome back. It is day 8 and it is nice to be back. We have just left Senno Station and we're heading up the countryside. But I do really wish I could say it was a good morning, but I think, as is made quite obvious by the umbrella, it is a bit rainy, and I can tell you firsthand it is very cold. We are in this tiny little village in the mountains of Japan. It is so cute. I love it. I wish I had stayed here. Unfortunately, I didn't. Tonight we're heading to a campground in the mountains of Japan. And hopefully it's running, because it seems to be one where you kind of have to pay, so it's very established. I don't think I'm going to be getting lost in the woods like I did last time I tried to camp. But if I can't camp, there will be a village like half hour past that I don't know, I'll try to find a place to sleep. No hotels though, so this is going to be an adventure of a day. Let's hope the rain doesn't make it miserable. Having a functioning charge block, I wasn't able to camp or record much the last 2 days, but today I finally got a new charge block and power bank, and I'm camping. So I found this little neat spot under the bridge here in Ibada. It is pretty sweet, honestly. Like, it's got great coverage, right? It's got a good open plan here. You can see that the living space over there. I'll set up my kitchen over there. It's got a really good natural flow to it. Good natural lighting as well. You know, you could sell this place in LA for like $2 million. Pretty decent. Anyways, so yeah, I'm excited to camp, and my wallet is also very excited for me to be camping. So good. And also camping under a bridge, it's great practice for being a geography major. So yeah, it's good. Folks, we made it to this beautiful town. I called it Mitsubishi in the Japanese mountains. And yeah, just waiting for my train. I'm gonna stay at the hostel in Okayama like I did the last couple nights. As I just realized that made most sense instead of trying to set up camp here. It's too mountainous. I didn't think I'd find a campsite too easily. So, yeah. Welcome to Mitsubishi, and tomorrow we should be making it to Himeji, but it won't be easy. We've got 45K on the table tomorrow, so yeah, let's go. Good morning and welcome back to Mitsubishi. I found myself in a bit of a situation. I did the exact same thing as I did back day 9, I think it was, day 9, where I didn't realize that the small town I'm starting from doesn't even have a convenience store or a grocery store. So the next one's 3 hours from now and I haven't had breakfast. So this is not going to be the easiest morning, but yeah, let's see if we can go till noon without eating anything. Yeah, maybe I should be planning these out a little better. Incredibly sweet lady stopped by the side of the road and gave me this massive bag of snacks, and it's basically just sweets and snacks, and that is like the kindest thing ever. Though the only thing I will say is I don't think I can nor should eat this sheer quantity of sweets on my own before they go bad. So I think tonight I'm gonna be the most popular guy at the hostel and share this amongst everybody there, because ain't happening. But yeah, it's so sweet.
Also, please get rid of haircut day. That video does not do my haircut justice.